Welcome to Lasa Africa. Today we show you the progress saving of the CASA-HEITAB. Let's go ahead and open up the box. For step 1, you'll require parts F, parts 8 and parts 9 and a Phillips screwdriver which is included in the package. Let's go ahead and install now. For step 1, when installing part 9, there is a magnetic side here. Just make sure it faces the outside, which is the hole here facing the same side. Let's go ahead and install it. For step 2, you require part number F, 2 parts number E, 4 parts number 1, and 4 parts number 8. These are the lockers. Let's go ahead and install. Alright, moving on to our next step, you'll need parts B, 4 parts 1, 4 parts 2, and an Allen key which is included in the package. Let's go ahead and install now. When installing part B, just make sure there is a hole here. You'll see it will line up with the bottom hole here. Let's go ahead and install. Let's move on to the next step. The next step, you'll require 2 part H's, 8 part 2's, and an Allen key just to tighten. Let's go ahead and assemble. We're going to flip the sprocket over and we're going to do the same for the other side. Let's move along to our next step. You'll need parts number A, 4 parts number 4, and a bigger Allen key which is included into the box. Let's go ahead and assemble. For the next step, you'll require 4 parts number 13, which are the feet. Let's go ahead and install now. Let's move along to the next step. For the next step, you need parts G and 10 parts number 3, which is the screws and a screwdriver. And then we're also gonna flip the product to the back side. Alright, so basically, let's go like this. You'll see that the magnet must face the front. That's the opening. Let's go ahead and install. Let's move along to our next step. For our next step, you need parts D, parts 6 and 7, a Phillips screwdriver, parts 15, and parts number 10. Let's go ahead and install. Alright, for the next step, let's go ahead and install the door to the cabinet. You'll see that there is hinges here. So let's go ahead and do the product assembly. Let's move along to our next step. Next step, you'll require 4 parts number 5. These are adjustable. You'll see there is 3 holes here. Let's move on to the following step. Following step, you'll require part C, which we're just going into place here. Let's move on to the last step. The last step is an optional step. It's an anti-tipping bracket. So let's go ahead and explain to you how you install it. So for part number 14, this is a bracket with the screw. This is a screw for the fisher plug. So basically, you're going to place a bracket on top. You're going to put the small screw here. The fisher plug, you are going to drill a hole into the wall. You're going to insert the fisher plug, and the screw is going to go through the bracket into the fisher plug. That's how you install it. Thank you for watching the product assembly of our CASA-HEITAB. Please go to our website www.lasa.africa to view more of our product assemblies and more of our products. Thank you.